Whether it's designing tools for the Apollo astronauts, capturing the Milky Way over the desert, or helping a first-time author publish their dream book, my life has been driven by one simple concept. How can we build something amazing? I'm Al Judge, and today I want to show you how my decades of experience can help you create your next masterpiece. For years, I've had the privilege of helping people master their cameras. I've written 21 books on digital photography, breaking down complex technical concepts into language anyone can understand. My goal has always been to take the frustration out of the process so you can focus on the art. If you're looking to elevate your photography game, my guides, including an 8-year Amazon bestseller, are designed specifically for you. But I don't just write about art. I live it. When I'm not at the keyboard, I'm out in the field. I specialize in fine art, landscape, and astrophotography. If you're looking to bring the majesty of the night sky or the breathtaking beauty of the natural world into your home or office, my curated collections are available as high-quality prints to transform any space. And finally, I want to help you build your own success. Before I was a full-time author and photographer, I spent 37 years as a corporate innovator and engineer, designing some of the world's first cordless power tools. Now I bring that exact same precision and problem solving to my freelance clients. Through my Fiverr and Upwork gigs, I offer expert consulting in product development, mechanical engineering, and KDP publishing. Whether you need a technical review for a new invention or a guide to getting your own book formatted and published flawlessly, I have the blueprint. It's never too late to learn a new skill, beautify your environment, or launch that project you've been dreaming about. Check out the links in the description below to find my books, browse my fine art galleries, or hire me for your next big project. Let's build something incredible together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.